Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you all are safe and secure by the grace of Allah Almighty. It's very nice to meet you at the platform of online sport program which has been established by the Secretariat for the sake of teaching and learning process. I, Ms. Uma Khalid, welcome you all on the behalf of Garrison Academy Khariyan Kent, Wanpur, Mangla region. Today I am going to teach you English language. Class 7, we are going to complete our 10th week assignment. Today we will study Unit 5 from workbook. Topic, reading on safari. Before starting the topic, I have enlisted some of key points in front of you for your better understanding. Origin of word safari, importance of safari parks, renowned countries for safari parks, endangered and extinct animals, animals of safari, advantages and disadvantages of safari parks. Our today's topic is comprehension passage on safari. Question is, what is safari? Safari is an area of parkland where wild animals are kept in the open and may be observed by visitors driving through. When we talk about safaris, we usually think of excited tourists watching wild animals living freely in safari parks. Here I have designed a form of activity for you. My first question is, do you love to visit parks and zoos? Try to be honest in your answers. My second question is, do we have any national parks in Pakistan? Can you name any two? Think about it. Ayodhya and Margala Hills. My third question is, most of us have pets at home, but where can we have wild animals? Think about it. Of course, in zoos, jungles and safari parks. Fourth question is, are you familiar with the term endangered and extinct animals? Let me recall your memory. A species considered to be facing high risk of extinction in the wild are called endangered animals. On the other hand, species which are no longer living are called extinct animals. My last question is, do you think safari parks are a good way to protect endangered animals? Well, it's your own opinion. I would like to share our objectives so that at the end of my video lecture, you will be able to talk about animals in wild, read the exposition carefully and understand writer's opinion about safari parks. Next one is, answer the given questions after reading the text. And last one is, figure out the information in favor and against the safari and safari parks. After this video tutorial, you will be skillful in comprehending the text, critical thinking and use of new vocabulary words in daily life. Origin of word safari. The word safari originated from the word safar, an Arabic verb meaning to make a journey. From there you get the noun safaria or journey and then safari, which is the synonym of the Arabic variant. Dear students, question is, why safari parks are important? So here I have enlisted some of important points for your better understanding. Safari parks play an important role in the fight to protect some of planet's best known species. These parks, like zoos, are places where animals can live freely. Next is, animals receive food and medical treatment. And last one is, it not only brings money but also educates people. Students, real safaris help to preserve animal habitats as they not only bring money but also help to educate people. Tourists on safari take photos and videos which they share with their friends and family and online. spreading the word about the beauty of nature and the importance of preserving it. Here are some renowned countries for safari park: Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Zimbabwe and South Africa. Students, here I have enlisted some of endangered and extinct animals: giant panda, tiger, blue whale, Asian elephant, snow leopard, gorilla. On the other hand, extinct animals: dodo, great auk, sea cow and passenger's pigeon. Animals of safari: African lion, African elephant, Kenyan cheetah, Cape buffalo, African leopard, wild dogs, zebra and giraffes. These are the animals of safari. Students, not every side of safari is positive, so I want to discuss some of advantages and disadvantages of safari parks. It will also help you to complete your exercise 4 easily. It gives the awareness of nature's beauty. We can observe the wildlife, source of income. On the other hand, disadvantages of safari park. Students, safari trips are very expensive and very few people can actually afford to experience it. Second point is, safari tourists travel in jeeps, trucks and tour buses which cause pollution. And last point is, some people believe safaris could destroy the places. Things to do. Exercise 3. Choose and circle the correct answer. Exercise 4. Separate the information given in favor of safari and safari parks against favor of safari and safari parks. And last exercise is exercise 6. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is, do you enjoy visiting zoos or safari parks? Why or why not? Give reasons. Question number 2 is, can you think of any other disadvantages of zoos and safari parks? Question number 3, what can you learn from going on a safari in Africa? And last question is, what problems might people have on safari? Now I would like to share with you general success criteria. Write the answer to questions in your own words. Present work in clear and legible handwriting. Complete the work and evaluate sheet thoughtfully and thoroughly, keeping in view the points discussed in videos. Task-specific success criteria. Number 1 is, animals are kept in reserve, homes, orphanages to protect them. Safari parks are another way to surveying the animals to save them. Read the text twice carefully to complete the written task. Last one is, while reading the text, underline difficult words and add these words in My Vocabulary Bank. Written work of above given exercises to be done on loose sheets. Let's recapitulate the lesson. The word safari originated from the Arabic language. Safari parks play an important role in the fight to protect some of planet's best known species. Third one is, safari not only brings money but also educates people. Not every side of safari is positive. And last one is, real safaris help to protect animal habitats. Dear students, hopefully you would have read about safari parks with great interest and you would have enjoyed today's lesson. Good luck for your assignment. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.